Dr. Abdul O Conteh is pointing out the fact that the actual Supreme Court judges them. Guys, I want to speak this in Creole. For the international community, hang tight, guys. I'm going to come to you. I'm going to speak it in English. But for my brothers and sisters back home in Sierra Leone, let's talk this pan Creole. They don't understand. The Supreme Court's justice system, the judges there within the Supreme Court, we have them. So in this particular matter, let me show now. These are the Supreme Court's justice system we'll get in Sierra Leone. These are the Supreme Court's justice system we'll get. So Dr. Abdul O Conteh, they point out, say, why you left the Supreme Court's justice system where these are appointed Supreme Court judges them, why you left them, you bring 2 members from the appeal court for consider this matter. Guys, that was where the whole game was rigged. You see, because the Chief Justice did not get the support of most of these other Supreme Court judges them. That was why he decided to go and pick 2 other judges them from the appeals court, when a lower court from the Supreme Court for consider the matter. So they would have their way. You see, guys, blatant violation of our constitution. I want to point that out to you guys. I just see this. I just saw it. Why did the Chief Justice decide for go take other judges them from other courts? Namely, so the appeals court for can put them on this panel for can sit on this matter that was brought in front of the Supreme Court. That is very crucial. That is very important. And I want you guys to listen. Everybody listen.
Absolutely.
It is you don't know my judges. I know my judges, and I've chosen. No disrespect for those that have not been chosen. You have to go by it. I am not going against any law. It's the law of the land, and we go by it.
My Lord, I mean no reflection, none in the least, on any judge who's not been empaneled. But we are only saying on behalf of the plaintiff, given the importance of these.
You're all legal jurists or jurists of the law, and left with you if you want to go by the American system where you
No, it's not an American system.
It must be the law.
My Lord, if I may, in the recent decision of the United Kingdom Supreme Court on an application which I cite in my authorities.
Let me explain this, guys. I want to explain this to you, everybody. So you see, the Chief Justice is telling Dr. Abdul O Conteh and everybody say, sabi in judges them. Broke no law. That is a crime. Is that not a crime in itself? This is something journalists, civil society organization, members of parliament, pundits in Sierra Leone, this is something they should be talking about.